In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your tax transcript online on TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to view a concise summary of your return and how to print, save, or preview the full filing right from your browser. Make sure you're signed into your TurboTax account and have your current return open so the options we cover appear exactly as shown. Start by locating the left-hand menu in TurboTax and open the Tax Tools section. This area is your control center for behind-the-scenes actions. Things like summaries, print options, and other utilities that aren't part of the main step-by-step interview. If your window is small, you may need to expand the menu to see the label clearly. Next, choose Tools. This opens a helpful panel with quick links designed for power users and reviewers. From here, you'll jump into the place that surfaces a snapshot of your return without changing any of your entries. Select View Tax Summary. The tax summary is great when you want a high-level look at key figures like your adjusted gross income, taxable income, credits, and payments. It's perfect for quick verification during a loan application or when you just want to sanity check the main outcomes of your return. If anything looks off, you can always back out to the full interview later and review your entries. From the summary view, open the Print Center. This is where TurboTax groups everything you can print or save. Think of it as your document hub. Whether you're preparing a PDF for your records or printing a packet to share with a professional, this is the spot. Finally, choose Print, Save, or Preview this year's return. You'll see options to preview the forms on screen, send them to your printer, or save a PDF to your device. Previewing is handy to confirm you've got the right set of documents selected. Saving as a PDF is ideal for secure digital storage or for uploading to institutions that request a copy. If you're asked for more detail, include worksheets in your PDF. If you're asked for a concise set, select Forms Only. Name the file clearly with the tax year so you can find it later. A quick note, what you're generating here is your TurboTax return and summary. If a lender or agency specifically asks for an official IRS transcript, that's a separate document issued by the IRS. For most personal reference, employment verification, or financial aid documentation, the return PDF from TurboTax is exactly what you need. That's it. You viewed your tax summary and learned how to print, save, or preview your return directly in TurboTax. Save a copy, keep it secure, and you're all set.